Welcome. If you want to use Google Assistant when your phone is locked on the VERNEE M5, at first you have to open the Google application. Next we have to go right here for more. Then we have to go for the settings. Next we have to find Google Assistant and we have to scroll down until we find personalization. It will be right here. So just enter, and as you can see, right now we have to tap on the switcher and then click here to lock screen personal results. So we can use voice match to access personal results like email, calendar, contacts, and reminders when our phone is locked. So as you can see, that's how we can activate this feature. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!